Alright guys, today we are replacing a battery on a Dyson vacuum cleaner V7 or V8. So I just got this from eBay and I have this vacuum cleaner. It's not performing as well as it should be, so I'm just gonna be replacing it. So what you need a couple of screwdrivers. You got a couple of screws. One is right here in the back. That's the one. And you have a couple of more. They're right here and they're right here. So I'm just gonna unscrew those and see what happens. Let's see if it works. Well, that was pretty easy, pretty simple. I hope I can help some of you guys. Have a great day.